So now students, we will continue the exercise 7th B. We have completed till question number 8. Student, there is minor mistake from my side, so you will correct them. That question. Question 8D. 8D is question. Student, 8 2 whole 3 upon 8 and 2 whole 5 upon 7. 8 2 ja 15, 15 and 3. 8 2 ja 16, 16 and 3, 19. 19 upon 8. This is 19 upon 8. And this is 7 2 ja 14, 14 and 5, 19. This is 19 upon 7. So 19 upon 8 and 19 upon 7. So 19 upon 7 is bigger than 19 upon 8. So this sign will come here. So you will write this sign. Now students, we will do question number 9. Question number 9 is write in descending order. Some fractions are given here. We will arrange them into descending order, bigger to smaller. So this is 2 upon 9, 8 upon 9, 6 upon 9, 7 upon 9, and this is 1 whole 4 upon 9. So we will arrange, we will convert into this fraction in proper fraction. 9 1 ja 9 and 4, 13. So this is 13 upon 9. Now we will convert, we will arrange into descending order. So we will see, we can see that all the fractions denominator are same. So we will compare their numerator. So numerator 13 upon 9 is bigger. 13 upon 9 is bigger. So first will come 1 whole 4 upon 9. So we will write here 1 whole 4 upon 9. After then 8 upon 9. After 6, 7 upon 9. Then 6 upon 9. And then 2 upon 9. So now the fractions, these fractions are arranged into descending order. Now question B. Question B is 15 upon 13, 15 upon 17, 15 upon 19, 15 upon 21 and 15 upon 16. We can see that in this question the numerator of these fractions are equal. So we will compare these denominators. So denominator 13 is lowest. So we will write first 15 upon 13 because this is bigger. 15 upon 13. After then 15 upon 13 we will write 15 upon 16. Then 15 upon 17. Then 15 upon 19. And after 15 upon 21. This is the smallest fraction. So these fractions are arranged into descending order. Now question C, 11 upon 17, 3 whole 1 upon 17, 19 upon 17, 2 whole 2 upon 17 and 65 upon 17. So all the fractions denominators are same. So we will compare their numerator. So this is 17 3 ja 51, 52 upon 17. So this is 52 upon 17. And this is 17 2 ja 34, 34 and 2, 36 upon 17. Now arrange into descending order. So (65 upon 17 is bigger. So we will write here 65 upon 17. First 65 upon 17. After then 65 upon 17 we will write 3 whole 1 upon 17 because this is 52 upon 17. After this we will write 2 whole 2 upon 17. 2 whole 2 upon 17 because this is 36 upon 17. After this we will write 19 upon 17. And in last we will write 11 upon 17. Now these fractions are arranged into descending order. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is write in ascending order. Here some fractions are given here. We will arrange them into ascending order, smaller to bigger. So all the fractions are same. So this is 7 to the 14 and 3, 17 upon 17, 17 upon 7. Now we will arrange them into ascending order. So ascending order 4 upon 7 is smaller. So we will write first 4 upon 7. After this 5 upon 7. Then 6 upon 7. Then 15 upon 7. And after last 2 whole 3 upon 7. Now question B, 14 upon 21, 17 upon 21, 12 upon 21, 22 upon 21 and 1 whole 2 upon 21. So 21 1 ja 21, 21 to 21 and 2, 23 upon 21. So this is 23. Now we will arrange them into ascending order. So here we can see that all the denominators are same of these fractions. So we will compare their numerator. So 14 upon 21 is 12 upon 21 is smaller. So we will write first 12 upon 21. After then 14 upon 21. Then 17 upon 21. Then 21 upon 22 upon 21. After this in last 1 whole 2 upon 21. Because this is 23 upon 21. Now question C, 5 upon 12, 5 upon 11, 5 upon 9, 5 upon 13 and 5 upon 10. So here all the numerators are same. So we will compare their denominator. So denominator 13 is bigger than all the denominators. So we will write first 5 upon 13. After then 5 upon 13, 5 upon 12. Then 5 upon 11, 5 upon 10 and then 5 upon 9. So now question number 10 also be done. Now we will move question number 11. Question number 11 is arrange in ascending order. So here we will see that these fractions are unlike fraction because their denominators are not same. So we will find out the LCM of all their denominators 3, 6 and 9. So when we will find out the LCM of these denominators, so it will be 18. So we will write here 18. So 2 upon 3, 3 multiplied by 6 equals to 18. Now 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. So this is 12 upon 18. This is 15 upon 18. This is 14 upon 18. Now the all denominator are same. So 2 upon 3 equals to 12 upon 18, 5 upon 6 equals to 15 upon 18 and 7 upon 9 equals to 14 upon 18. So now we will compare their numerator. So numerator 15 is bigger. So 5 upon 6 is bigger. We will arrange them into ascending order. So 12 upon 18 is smaller. So 2 upon 3 come first. We will write 2 upon 3. Then 7 upon 9. And after then 5 upon 6. So these are the fractions in arranged into ascending order. Now question number B. 5 upon 8, 3 upon 4, 7 upon 8 and 2 upon 4. We can see that their denominator also be different. So we will find out the LCM of their denominators. So LCM of 8, 4, 8 and 4. So the LCM will be 8. Now we will write first 5 upon 8. So 8 is the LCM. So we will do multiply 8 multiply by 1 equals to 8. सो जब हमने स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ 8 का मल्टीप्लाई 1 से किया है तो ऊपर भी हमें 1 से करना होगा. 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 5. सो दिस इज 5/8. नाउ 7/8. सो 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 8. सो 7 मल्टीप्लाई 1 इज इक्वल टू 7. 7/8. नाउ 3/4. सो LCM is 8. So 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 6/8. Now 2/4. So 4 2 ja 8. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. 4/8. Now all denominators are same. 8 8 8 and 8. Now we will compare their numerator. So we will when we will compare their numerator, so we will find out we have find 4/8 is smaller. So 4/8 is 2/4. So 2/4 will be come first. So we will write 2/4 first. Then 4. Then after 4 we can see that 5/8 will come. So 5/8 equals to 5/8. So we will write here 5/8. Then comma. After 5/8 we will write 6/8. So 6/8 equals to 3/4. So we will write 3/4. Comma. Then after 7/8. So this is 7/8. So we will write 7/8. So these fractions are arranged into ascending order. Now students, question C of question number 11. Question C of question number 11 you will do yourself. In my next video we will do the remaining question of this exercise. Thank you.